I don't have PVC cement. Where's the gaff tape? Plumbing with DeLuca. Gaff tape is a totally acceptable way to bond two pieces of drain waste vent PVC. Inspectors love this trick.
So much so that they come back to visit us so often.
Oh yeah. That's plumbing. This is gonna be a huge mess. The P-trap fills up with water. Gets too heavy. Falls. That's how we plumb. Yeah. Who needs cement? Bob's Plumbing is open for business. Alright, I'll call for inspection tomorrow. Yep, that's how you plumb. Alright.